Japanese pumpkin bread, very easy and super fluffy. For our recipe today, we will need 400 grams of Japanese pumpkin. I have already cut it into cubes, as you can see, and now I will put everything inside a plastic bag suitable for use in the oven. It is important that it can also be used in the microwave. Now let's put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. Now let's put our cooked pumpkin in a blender very carefully because it's still hot. Now I'm gonna add 500 milliliters of whole milk, and we're gonna mix everything very well. Now let's transfer our pumpkin mixture with milk into a large container. Look how beautiful this mixture turned out. Now let's put 2 whole eggs, 30 milliliters of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine, and we're going to mix everything very well. Now I'm going to add 10 grams of dry yeast, which is suitable for breads, and mix well. Now we're going to add 1200 grams of wheat flour, but we're going to add it little by little so it doesn't get too difficult to stir. I added half the dough and we'll mix. Now I'm going to add the rest of the wheat flour and continue mixing well. And if you like homemade bread recipes, leave them here below. I love homemade bread. This way, I will know that you like these recipes and I will be able to bring you more different homemade bread recipes. This is a homemade pumpkin bread that I am sure you will love making at home. When we reach this point and it is no longer possible to mix with the spatula, we will start mixing with our hands and stir until we reach the point that I will show you. This is the point of our dough. Now I'm going to put it in another bowl. I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap, leaving it well covered if you prefer. You can also put a kitchen towel on top, and I'm going to let this dough rest for an hour. After an hour, see how our dough turned out. It has already doubled in size, so let's remove the plastic. Now I'm going to put some wheat flour here on my table, spreading it well, and I'm going to put our dough here on the table on top of the wheat flour. You need to put wheat flour on the table so the dough doesn't stick. Now let's knead the dough for approximately 5 to 10 minutes until our dough is very smooth. I'll show you the ideal point. This is the point of our dough, so now we're going to cut it in half. We're going to separate half of the dough and reserve one of the parts here on the side. And now, with the help of a rolling pin, we will roll out one of the dough halves. Now just roll the dough, pressing it well like this, leaving a space left at the end. You will see how it will turn out. Now we are going to make cuts in this piece that we left behind from the dough. This way, it is very easy, as you can see. Then we will go over our dough, modeling it like this. And our dough will look like this. Now just do the same with the other dough. Now let's cover it and let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our dough looked like this. It has risen a little more. And now I'm going to brush a mixture of egg yolk and a little milk on top of our bread dough. Now just put it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Our pumpkin breads are ready, and look how beautiful they turned out. I will unmold it and show you the result. Friends, I'm going to separate the bread now and see how perfect they turned out. Now I'm going to cut a piece of our bread so you can see how soft it was, and the color was also wonderful because of the pumpkin. Our pumpkin bread was very soft, fragrant, and beautiful. I'm going to spread a little butter to try it. But you can eat this bread. I love it. You don't even need to put anything on the bread because it's already delicious. My God, it was amazing. This is the most delicious bread I've ever eaten. Do it and you'll love it too. And